You don't need to be cussing.
Oh, man. That's what I like to women. Oh, man. I feel fucking great. Oh, wow. I'm gonna wave out the window.
Get in the car.
Yeah. Hey y'all! Oh man. I'm gonna interest
No.
I'm gonna
No.
I'm not gonna break the phone.
No.
Whoa, man, this whole ass moving 3 seconds. It ain't taking no motherfucking time.
Watch your mouth.
I want to take these laws out.
Nope, you gotta keep the gauze in your mouth.
Why?
You gotta make sure that the bleeding stops.
Well, how long will you home?
And just for a little while longer.
Will I take them off tonight?
Yeah, it'll be off tonight.
Holy fuck.
Stop.
Yes, smoothie.
You want a smoothie? Okay, we'll get you one.
I want a smoothie.
Calm down. Calm down.
Dude. I want to know. Oh my god. They only systems. They got smoothies.
No, they got milkshakes.
Well, where are we gonna do this smoothie?
We're gonna go to Smoothie King. Why is that so funny?
I didn't know we had Smoothie King. Yeah, I want some.
What are you doing?
Oh no. Oh.
Calm down.
Oh, shit. The pain is over with. Look at him.
No, don't say nothing to the people outside. Nick, stop. Stop it. Stop. Stop.
What's up?
Stop it. He thinks you're crazy.
What the fuck, man? This is what man move. It's like stuck.
It's already on.
It's like stuck.
You'll be alright.
It's stuck.
Well, you're safe. You're fine. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. You're okay. It's fine. You're okay.
Whoa.
You're alright.
Whoa. Yeah.
You're gonna be alright. Don't do that. You're gonna make yourself sick. Get ready to be on the interstate.
Look at this stuff. I don't even fucking know.
Shh.
They don't listen to me. What?